things are literally gonna get serious tomorrow. The fact that mainly eastern New York is under a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. The bullseye is gonna hit Watertown and Utica. Other places that WXL34 says whenever an alert is, like Ilion, Little Falls, and Dolgeville, or something like that. Warren and Herkimer, and even the Adirondacks is getting it in with the thunderstorms. And yeah, seriously, tomorrow is literally going to be the most best day. Seriously, the fact that this is going to be the first time of the year. This is going to be the first ever thunderstorm-related event for the year. Literally, the first ever thunderstorm-related event of the year. Seriously, man, we're going to be experiencing severe thunderstorm warnings left and right here. Well, I don't know left and right, but it's going to be something. I am expecting a severe thunderstorm warning. I know, there has to be. Because if portions of eastern New York, like Herkimer, Ilion, Little Falls, and Dolgeville, whatever I said, is going to experience thunderstorms, then that means that there's definitely going to be some severe thunderstorm warnings out of this event. So, oh boy, buckle up, everybody. Tomorrow's going to be one hot ride.